Rome, it was a grievous point, and grievously hath Caesar answered it. Here under the league of Brutus and the rest, for Brutus is an honorable man. So are they all honorable men. Am I to speak in Caesar's funeral? He was my friend, faithful and just to me. But Brutus said he was ambitious, and Brutus is an honorable man. He had brought many captives home to Rome. Ransom hid the general coffers. Did this in Caesar seem ambitious? When the poor has cried, Caesar had wept. Ambition should be made of sterner stuff. Yet Brutus says he was ambitious, and Brutus is an honorable man. You all will see on the little cars, I